Now for the reveal. Hi guys, and welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing for a product that I bought, and this one is for the Pink Glow Pineapple. So you all probably have seen it all over social media, and I love pineapple. I love pineapple chow, so I said, you know what, I'm just gonna get one. So this is from the guys at Tropical Fruit Box. And here we have the Del Monte. So it's a Del Monte pineapple. And Pink Glow, fresh Del Monte. It has a seal. Wow. Let me take my time. Okay, I'll just cut this like so. Alright, let's see what's inside here. Certificate of Authenticity by Del Monte Quality Pink Glow Pineapple. We hereby declare this is a 100% authentic, tropically grown Pink Glow Pineapple. Congratulations on obtaining this royal delicacy. Guys, do you know how much I paid for this? You all are going to think I am crazy, but I actually said, you know what, I'll just buy this once. It's $50 US. Okay, so it's well packaged. It's pretty small. It's a very small, because a regular yellow pineapple would be like this tall and wider than this. But I understand it's a special pineapple. I don't think there's anything else in the box. I think what I'm going to do, guys, I think I'm going to wait, right? Because as you can see, the bottom of the pineapple has a nice yellow color, but the top of the pineapple is green, and I don't want to cut into this pineapple and it's not properly ripe. So I'm going to leave it out for a few days, and I'll check back and we'll cut into it and see how it looks on the inside. I don't think it's ripe all the way through. So guys, let me check back with you guys in a few days, and then we'll cut into this Pink Glow pineapple. Okay, so let's cut into this pink pineapple so you guys can see what it looks like on the inside. Wow, it's nice and ripe. Now for the reveal. Wow, nice and pink. Ooh, that is so pretty. Okay, now to peel this and actually give it a taste. This smells so fragrant. Wow. So guys, pink pineapple. I know it's a bit pricey, but if you can afford it and you want to try it, now is the time to do so, because it is in season. So let's taste it. Very juicy, very mellow pineapple flavor. It doesn't taste like a yellow pineapple. It has a really lovely exotic taste. Sweet, not so acidic. I quite like it. So if you guys want to try this, I will leave the link where I purchased it down in the description box. It's only here for a limited time because it's in season right now. So I hope you guys enjoyed me showing you guys what the pink pineapple looks like. I'm sorry, I wish I can give you all a taste. Unfortunately I can't, so I'll have to eat it for you guys. So I'm gonna make some chow and I'm going to enjoy this. So thank you so much for watching this video, and let me know if you get the pineapple, if you order it, and what do you think. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.